Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Day 2 of the comp. Reef and I are ready. The boys are ready. Hey, Uncle Pat?
What kind?
Cheesy. And we got Ryan, Long Tom Steven. He slept last night. So he slept last night. The couches moved apart, but he was still laying there like a deck chair, folded. Slept in between the cracks. How does your back feel? Ish. Well, the tuna are gonna bend his back properly today. We'll see you guys down at the bait. Launched safely, successfully. We're on the back line now. We just punched in where we're gonna head to. We'll see you guys on the first trip. Let's get that day 2 big fish, baby. There we go, boys. We're just gonna throw some popper. We just wanna see what the current's doing, what the drift's doing. Then we'll go up to our mark. But for now, we're just gonna throw the popper on the mark and just see how we're drifting. And maybe we come right while we're testing. As I left it, I said leave it for a bit. Oh, yes. Come here. Oh, shock, chasing him. Oh, no, come. Open
your bail on, bro.
Come. No, it's fine. Oh, no.
He's there, he's coming straight towards you.
No, he's not.
He's off.
No, he's off.
Oh my gosh, that was a big dog.
Fine.
Oh, that's fine. Go back, boys.
I think it won't open.
The one hook bent open. Yo, you bent hooks. That was a dog.
Well done, Rude.
Shot, boy.
You found the fish. You're the first guy to get a fucking hook up.
Guys, pop and leave it for a bit. Pop, and then leave it.
That's when he banged you.
I got hit when I was waiting.
What's happening, boys? We're here now on the front. Cameraman's tying leader knot lines on for me. We got Pat changing root dogs.
Wait for it.
Hooks over there.
Just lost a fish.
Hey, I just lost a fish, boys. But we're going back up to redeem myself. Watch this.
Yeah. Rude's hook pulled. We got Pat changing hooks quick and fast, making plans here, boy.
Look at this thing, guys.
Check it out.
Open.
Let me get through
There's no small guppy there.
And one big fish, bro.
That's no small guppy bite there for Tuna to pull that thing straight, Cuddy. I'll give it to the strongest guy on the boat and see if he can pull that hook open. Not a chance.
Yeah, so Pat's busy changing hooks. We got Warren here tying new leaders. Rafi. Declan, what's happening? JCing, eh?
Just came up onto some fish. Action's getting real. We got Patcha on the steering, getting us up on the fish.
Speed up.
A little bit.
Everyone's standing ready with some poppers. Ready for that action.
Hold on. Hey, we just had some dolphin sightings and right behind them the tuna were busting. We're just trying to run up on them and sneak up because here's the dolphins here. That's how you get the fish, my boy. That's how you get it. Show those. That'll make them ant. It'll make me ant, boy. Alright, boys. Pretty bit of a slow day, yeah? But we out here, bro. That's all that matters. We out here. Lost the fish. Pulled the hook straight. And I don't think there was anything else other than that. But yeah, we're just going to be persistent and we're just going to keep doing what we do best. And yeah, throw the shad traces. shit. Oh, yes! Yes! Yes, boys! Yes! What did I say? What we do best. Yes.
Just stay persistent.
Come on! No, no, no! Swimming towards the boat. Come on, come on. Move it.
Take that line out. Take the jig out the water.
Okay, come. I need the gap, quick.
Come, gap, come on.
Check the arm.
Hold it.
No. You carry on recording.
Okay.
Ah,
I got a good gaff, bro.
Come here, bro. Colour. Leaders in. Leaders out. Okay, right. He's coming around.
Reef, come here. Reef, come here.
Where's Reef? Oh, for fuck's sakes, man!
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Boys, that's just fishing, eh?
That's just fishing.
Lost a good fish right by the boat. Just spat the hooks. I don't know what's going on now. I need to have a talk with Lucky's.
Rudog, you want to do a speech? For the fishies?
Firstly, I just want to thank everyone for coming out tonight. It's been a formidable evening. Hey, bro, we're puzzling.
Come for a bust up right now, boy.
Maybe like the last fish, I should say. It's a slow day, wada fish cakes, and then the fish will come on. Check this thing. If you were a tuna, wouldn't you want to? Oh, suck it. I would. They have been.
It almost got.
Almost got one nose piercing. See? Man's gates. There's the boom. Bim, bam, boom. Bam, boom. Doctor, I'm from Joburg, but the tuna wild. Is it?
Yes, if you come on now, boy. I'm gonna be fishing like that for the rest of the day.
Wow! Come on! Come tuna! Tuna! Pelagic! Blue, yellow, green fin! Shad, bream, boss! Pop it, man! Eat the fucking thing! What's wrong with you? The fuck? Jossie!
That's it, gents. Nice one.
Yes, brother! Hold it up for the camera!
Come on. Yes, okay. You're hardy, boy.
Shot, brother! Come, shot!
Come on.
Come, shot! For the boy! Told you this mark's working here, bro.
Should we show them our fish?
Nice one.
Shot, boy.
Shot, brother. Alright, boys. So yeah, we just ran it back up on the mark. Bass got a bit quiet after that last fish and our last ride on the boat. It's not my fault, just a bit cool. Like I said, we're going to take that up the back. But yeah, as we were coming back, the boys were coming up to us and we were like, come, run this line. And they pulled in on our drift and they got a nice fish on now. So the boys are stoked on the other boat and we just back up on that line now. Let's hope we come tight now. Let's get some good karma, good energy. Let's go, baby! Big tot. Come out of the bucket. Someone's got a one's already been tied down. One's been tied. Getting one. Nice fish.
I need to come.
Okay. Watch the line.
Watch the lines.
Watch the line. Come fight your fish, concentrate. Don't worry about moving too much.
Yeah.
You bring them to where you want. Okay. Another pop.
Bucket, please.
Right boys, hard luck. Warren came fast there, lost the fish. They're not popped there by the hook. But yeah, this is how fishing goes, eh? It's not always catch. That's what I call it, fishing, not catching. I told you this before. But we're gonna run it back up. See you there. This is what you call good job, son. That's a dog. That's a dog. That's a dogfish. That's a dog. Come on, boys. You got this, brother.
That's it, boy.
You got this, brother. Yes, boy. Yes. Nice
Watch
one.
this rod, yeah?
Nice one. Yeah, got it. Do we have his? Yeah, come here. Come.
Let him go. Come around, yeah?
Tuna, I can see him.
Tuna. Yeah. Oh, shit. Go.
Getting chased, getting chased.
Okay, bring him down. Pump. Don't stop. Pump it. That's it, boy. Pump it. Keep those winders. Keep the winders. That's it. Keep them coming. That's it. Don't stop on it. That's it. Nice boy. Keep them coming. Go to the other side. Yep. There we go. Nice one. Keep coming.
Watch your rods here, boy.
Keep him off like keep his head up there. So there we go.
Get the hatch open there, boy.
I had you there, boy.
So did I.
Almost went swimming.
Oh, man.
He's out on the deck.
There you go. Yeah. Let him go. Okay, let's just get this jig off.
Well done, boy.
Okay. Yeah. Joy is coming, right? Little kingfish. This is a good fish. Little kingy, come on. Little kingy. Little boys. Come on. Oh, shit. What's happening? Black spot. Tuna breed.
Yeah, yellow.
Honey. We're in the rough spot, boys. We're fucking working for the big one. I can't.
The rod is fucking good.
You want to give me an ID?
Yes, boy.
Oh, that's on the ground. That's good. Yes.
Yeah, well done, boys.
Yes, boys.
That is a qualified gaff. You're getting some tips here.
Yeah, well done, boys.
Have my mind messing, now I don't need your blessing. I guess you just a life lesson, that is. Now look at all you left with.
finished up competition day number 2. We're into the weigh-ins. There was a bigger fish, 18.3 I think it was, so that's the winning fish, and that's kind of knocked us off our pedestal. So yeah, tomorrow is day 3, final day, so we got a big task ahead of us. We just finished washing the van. Our boy's busy on the boat there, Nico, he's busy washing the boat. We're gonna head up to the house now, have a little chill, maybe a little half-an-hour power nap, then we're gonna head down to the clubhouse. The guys have fans and a little bit of chat with the bullies, you know what the story is, and then get an early night's sleep, up early tomorrow for day 3. We coming back, trust me, we're gonna get that 23-24 kilo fish, trust me. We'll see you guys a little bit later. Yep boys, we're here at the Shelly Beach Ski Boat Club, end of day 2. They've got a live band playing and they've got a bit of people talking, and there's going to be fans and a whole lot of stuff. The boys are dressed into a fresh kit for the evening, so we're just going to go in, show some face, enjoy the vibes, chat to some people, talk shit, get everyone amped for tomorrow, and then we'll see you boys a little bit later. Yep, but enjoy the B-roll. We're gonna party, apple juice and all.
To be part of the wave, can't stop, ever wonder if it's all for you. The world I love, the trains I hop, to be part of the wave, can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to